Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Windows service error code 1067. The process terminated unexpectedly. Let's fix it guys. You just need to search for services. Click on open it guys. Now locate whatever service is listed in the dialog window. It could be just about any service. You just go ahead and locate in this list. We just need to double click on it. For example, I am just double click on any services over here. You just need to make sure the startup type is set this to automatic, and if the service status is stopped, you just need to start it guys. And after doing it, go ahead and restart your PC. Hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. After restarting your PC, if you still having issue, then you just need to go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now in the command prompt window, you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. You just need to copy it, tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it, press enter. This is file checking utility scan guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification need to get 100% guys. This command will help you to fix the corrupted files in your computer. After finishing this command 100% complete, you just need to go ahead and copy the second command. After finishing the second command completed, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.